Hello friends, it has been a very long time since I filmed, honestly, but also since I talked to you guys, like mano y mano. I'm on my way to my work because there's a going away party for one of my coworkers who I'm very sad is leaving, but he's a great guy. Sorry about the things falling in the back of my car. He's a great guy, and I just know he's going to do amazing things for this world. So, that being said, today's video is different. It is kind of a clean with me. Not really. I mean, it's sped up. I'm going to put music to it. But it's kind of the rebirth of the channel. I started my channel May 22nd, 2006. And if you know anything about YouTube, you know that's about a year after YouTube started. So I've been on the platform for a very long time. And through the years, I have done different things on my channel. I started out filming cute videos of my dog. I then moved on to paper crafting and Dollar Tree hauls. And then 2020 happened, and we all know what that was. And I found a few resin crafters on YouTube. YouTube fed me in the algorithm resin crafting. So I got fed the likes of Pouring Your Heart Out and Daniel Cooper and Evan and Caitlin, who I adore and hope to one day meet. I hope to meet all of them, honestly. But that started my obsession with resin. And so I took the plunge. I spent a ton of money getting into resin. And I love resin. To this day, I still love resin, but my mental health needs change in the way that I'm not feeling very resin creative right now. I'm feeling more paper creative, and I don't want people who subscribe for only resin content to get a shock to the system when they see that I'm not only doing resin anymore. But the very first thing that needs to happen is I need to clean my space. It is a disaster area, as you'll see in the video. It's grotesque. I'm changing the entire, not necessarily layout, but the desks that I use, the tables that I use. I'm changing all of that stuff around, and I'm hopefully going to make it more cohesive with the things that I want to start creating. I'm sure you noticed a difference because I've been really into shrinky dinks lately. So while it does incorporate some resin elements, it doesn't completely vibe with just pouring resin into a mold and demolding. So I didn't want you guys to just think that I've given up on resin altogether. I haven't. I still adore resin. And yeah. So with that being said, this video, sorry about the loud motorbikes. Okay, this video is going to be step one of cleaning and trying to get everything clear out of this space so that I can start with the rearranging. Yes. And hopefully you guys enjoy cleaning video. I know that I enjoy cleaning videos, so I imagine that there's at least 3 of you out there that also enjoy cleaning videos. So that's what I'm gonna do. Probably for the next, I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Probably for a month. It'll mostly be cleaning and organizing videos that come out. I may throw in some vloggy, chatty type stuff if you guys are into that. I don't know. But I need to get my spark back, and in order to do that, I need a clean space. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you've enjoyed whatever the hell this was for an intro. But I'm going to head to this party, but you should stay and watch the clean because it's actually quite satisfying. Okay. And without further ado, let's clean. All right, friends, about 3 hours into cleaning. I'm exhausted. My back is killing me. I'm gonna take a quick break, but I feel like we got a lot done. Obviously, it has to get worse before it gets better. But I think we're making good progress. I'm hoping to get it all done today, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. It's also really hot in that basement for some reason. We thought it was going to be cooler. It's not. So anyway, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm going to go sit and take some Tylenol. BRB. right, friends, so this is where we're at. Over there is a whole bunch of stuff that I still need to go through. I moved the table and this thing over here. The table is only up because I'm using it to place things, and it's also where I'm going to be placing all of this stuff. Sorry, it's blurry. All of that stuff from the desk. The plan is to move that desk over here to where the tables were. And then put the tables there. You can see I've got a lot of storage, so personal storage, but also Halloween and Christmas bins as well for crafting. I still have all of this mess to deal with, the papers and all of my stamps. Yeah, that I just have on one of these shelves that you get in a closet. It's one of those things. I just kind of leaned it up against, and I used the little alligator clips with hooks on them to hang that. I still have all of this mess to go through, all of this, the oh, my lights are flickering. The black organizer thing right there. I have a second one that needs to be built, but those are actually going to go into my boys' area for their bedroom stuff. And I do want to eventually organize all of this mess and go through stuff, maybe de-stash. I want to reorganize this because this is all of like my mica powders and my additives and that kind of stuff. This is mostly just, I don't know what most of this is. A lot of it is antique jars and stuff from that I inherited from my mom, but there's also like some Halloween stuff that I need to go through and organize. And yes, and I did manage to get rid of most of the empty resin bottles. I still have this resin that I'm currently working on, and then I've got this resin that needs to be tossed. And I also need to reorganize this cart. So it's a work in progress, but this completes day one. I hope you guys have enjoyed this somewhat. I'm trying to get my life together, y'all. Hopefully you can hang out with me while I do it. But yeah, anyway, that is today's video. Like, subscribe, all the fun stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next time.